Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wild. Today we are talking about we don't feed non-tippers. Delivery driver allegedly gives away customers' IHOP order after they don't tip. So as we all know, non-tippers in the gig economy have been on the receiving end of no tip, no trip advocates across the board. And this time, this is an IHOP customer who didn't tip their driver. And it's not the driver eating the food. It's not the customer not tipping their driver and getting service anyway. It's not the driver exposing the customer. They're just giving it away entirely. So with that said, I want to go over everything that is being said in this article, how it actually is for drivers and customers, and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. The topic of tipping has recently stirred discourse on TikTok. Some contributors to this conversation are a Doordash driver who called out non-tippers, and another Doordash driver who ate a customer's food after being tipped a measly 50 cents. Both drivers went viral on the platform. Another driver has now joined their ranks after posting a video where he allegedly gave away an IHOP order because the customer did not tip. I actually covered both of those stories on this channel already. I'll leave them both in the description. Feel free to check them out. TikTok user Upchuck Kamalu, who works as a food delivery driver, posted the video on January 24th. As of January 25th, the video has garnered over 19,000 views. The things you do for content, huh? I'm going to leave his TikTok as well as his profile in the description so you can develop your own opinions on the subject. What I like about this article already is that they're noting that it's a food delivery driver. It's not necessarily Doordash, UberEats, or Grubhub, but it's a food delivery driver. There's a little bit more protection in that. I know that the Dashing Trader, Megan Rissman, and DoorDash tips have all been on the receiving end of some deactivations as of late due to TikTokers giving people a hard time on TikTok for being DoorDash drivers saying no tip, no trip. Honestly, I think it's gotten out of hand that it's actually causing deactivations, but who am I to say? In the video, TikToker sat in his car and revealed a container of hot food inside a grocery bag, which he claimed was a Salisbury steak from IHOP. The food did not come in an IHOP bag, so it is unclear if it's actually from the restaurant. I wouldn't be surprised either way. Yes, this could be staged. Yes, this could be real. Could IHOP have just run out of IHOP bags? I'm sure, but at the same time, I don't think its validity takes away from the point. All right, I just got some Salisbury steak from IHOP, he says. This person's a non-tipper, and I just dropped off an order. Here's what I'm gonna do. The driver then got out of his car and returned to the house where he just delivered an order. As he approached, the customer stood outside by a metal gate. My man, what do you do for the delivery driver? Do you tip them? The driver asked, getting the customer's attention. After the customer agreed that he routinely tips delivery drivers, Upchuck Kamulu gave him the IHOP order instead of the person it was intended for. So wait, he wasn't the customer, but he gave him the food, even though the customer wasn't actually in that area? Like, I don't understand what's going on. My man just got an order. Now he got some more food. He said, we don't feed non-tippers. I mean, I just wouldn't have accepted the order to begin with, so I guess that kind of makes sense. The video has triggered a vigorous debate in the comment section. Several viewers criticized the TikToker for expecting a tip before completing the delivery. It's called no tip, no trip for a reason, pal. I'm not tipping until my food gets there. Do I get paid before I do my job? No, I don't tip until I get my food. I tip, I tell, then I tip. One viewer wrote. Okay, so we could tell your job is not an English professor. We all know for a fact that you don't tip your drivers after if you don't tip before, so that's factually inaccurate right off the bat. We don't technically get paid until after we do the job anyway. If we were to get the food unassigned, we don't get paid for it. So that logic is completely out the door. Let's be honest, you're not gonna tip anyway. It's just a no-tippers way of manipulating drivers. They're like the epitome of dishonesty. I tip after delivery with cash. I try to state it on the delivery instruction so it's known cash tip because I tip based on service. A second echo. Okay, well, first off, No, you don't. I've actually been on the receiving end of customers actually doing this, and they don't actually tip in cash after. They're full of it. They will look for any reason to not tip, and sometimes they don't even need a reason to not tip. Their integrity and character is as piss poor as the lives they live. Other users condemned Upchuck Kamulus for accepting the orders without tips, essentially wasting him and the customer's time. Some even criticized him for relying on tips, stating he should get a real job. Okay, well, first off, the prior comment actually does have a certain amount of validity to it. I just decline those orders till they eventually just don't end up getting delivered in the first place. That's my personal opinion on it. I don't want it delivered to somebody who never made an order. I don't want it delivered to somebody who didn't tip to begin with. They just don't get delivered, period. It's called no tip, no trip. Not no tip, trip to someone else. No tip, trip, and then complain about it. No tip, no trip. And then the point of relying on tips and to get a real job, everybody who has never been in the gig economy makes that pretend point like it means something. But you do realize all of us have been in real jobs before. We've had that experience, but we were overworked, underpaid, underappreciated, and we're kind of just tired of the nonsense. So how about instead of criticizing somebody for being a DoorDash driver, you get a real life? You want us to get a real job, how about you get a real life first? Oh, I'm on fire today. However, many users took the TikToker side, claiming that non-tippers shouldn't order from delivery apps if they can't afford to tip. Amen to that. If you can't tip, don't order delivery. Go get your own food. Simple, one viewer stated. 100%. You don't have to use these apps. If you want to use these apps, make sure you understand that there's gonna need to be a tip for the driver. If not, don't even bother. I hate people like this. If you can't tip, then go pick it up yourself a second degree. Since the video ignited such an argument, Upchuck Kamulu posted a follow-up explaining himself. The follow-up was in response to a user's comment. In it, the TikToker claimed the original video was a troll video meant to be funny. He concluded by criticizing the user whose comment he was responding to. Okay, so first off, 100% confirmed, that was parody content being made. The other side to that, you wanna know the people who actually get upset by it? People who don't tip their drivers. It's amazing how big that community got, but at the end of the day, it's just irresponsible to work with them, let alone let them be in the comment section of your videos. It's just a fact. This is my opinion. It's worth what you pay for it. None of you pay me. There you go. So obviously this is a troll video. However, the reality of the subject is that a lot of people see this stuff and take it very seriously. The comment section of those videos prove that. I don't care what commenter claims that they tip after delivery. People can count on one hand how many times they did not receive a tip prior and got a tip after. Like literally, in my experience, how many times I've received an order on the app that had no tip, quality base pay, and I actually got a cash tip after. I think it only happened once. And it wasn't even that they said there was going to be cash in the instructions. They just did it. And I've done well over 10,000, 20,000 deliveries at this point. I honestly can't do the math between all of the apps I've ever worked on, to be honest. And anybody who claims that they tip after are probably lying. I've said this in a lot of videos, but I've experienced many times the order was declined so many times that the base pay was high. The person claims that there was gonna be a cash tip after. And then after the order was done, they never tipped in cash. I only got base pay, and they were going with so many roundabout ways to not tip their driver because they know they're lying right out of their ass. It's called no tip, no trip. Not no tip, give somebody else the trip. No tip, do the trip anyway. Not no tip, do the trip and give the customer's food away. No tip, no trip. It's that simple. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!